only in the The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Logan County, northwestern Union County, Ohio, southern Hardin County, until 1:45 p.m. At 12:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Russell's Point, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, trained weather spotters. The storm has a history of producing hail larger than 1 inch in diameter. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Huntsville, Silver Creek, Bell Center, Rush, Sylvania, Byhalia, Ridgeway, Pfeiffer, Hepburn, Mount Victory, Russell's Point, Metzer, Northwood, Summersville, Big Springs, West Mansfield, Chippewa Park, Lewistown, Lakeview, and Kenton. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio.